Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create aggressive shake effect in Capcut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Capcut PC application, and as you can see, I have imported my video to this project, and I'm going to create aggressive shake effect for this video. If we want to create the aggressive shake effect, we need to go to the effect menu. Click on this effect menu, and then you're going to search for the shake effect. Just type in shake and try to search for the shake effect. This one guys. You can also choose the shake 2, shake 1, and shake 2, and I'm gonna go with this one. And then I'm going to add it to my video like this. And if you want to make it aggressive, you can increase the speed and also the range as well. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. As you can see that the aggressive shake effect has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create aggressive shake effect in Capcut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.